unbalanced loads can create hazards in electrical systems. An unbalanced load means the current on one phase of the system differs significantly from other phases. This leads to overloading, overheating, and potential fires. Let's consider the scenario of adding 9 120-volt 20-amp circuits to an existing 100-amp panel board that currently has only one 40-amp 2-pole circuit breaker installed. Each 120-volt 20-amp circuit can draw up to 20 amps. Therefore, 9 circuits could potentially draw 180 amps. Given the existing panel is rated for 100 amps and only has a 40-amp breaker in place, adding these circuits would cause a significant overload. Here are a few potential options to address this overload. Firstly, you could install a larger panel board. This is often the most straightforward solution. Replacing the existing 100-amp panel with a higher amperage rated panel, such as 150 amps or 200 amps, would provide the necessary capacity for the additional circuits. This eliminates the risk of overloading the main panel. Secondly, balance the load. If the panel size cannot be increased easily, the next best option is to balance the load across the available phases. This involves rearranging the circuits in the panel so that the current draw is more evenly distributed. If some of the existing circuits can be moved to different phases, or a phase balancing panel is utilized, this can help prevent any single phase from being overloaded. Thirdly, you could install a subpanel. A subpanel is an additional electrical panel connected to the main panel board. By installing a subpanel, the new circuits are isolated from the existing loads on the main panel. This subpanel can then be sized appropriately to handle the new circuits without overloading the original panel. To determine the correct subpanel size, the load demand must be calculated. The most advisable solution would likely be to replace the existing panel with a larger one to accommodate the increased load demand safely and effectively. This approach provides adequate capacity for the additional circuits and ensures a balanced load distribution from the outset. It's crucial to involve a licensed electrician to evaluate the specific installation and recommend the most suitable solution. They can assess the existing electrical system, calculate load requirements, and ensure that all work complies with local electrical codes and safety standards.